Happy eating. Today, we're going to be smoking some lamb. This lamb's been marinating in some soy sauce, some Indian spices, some serrano peppers, and a bit of garlic. It all easily fit into a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. And you can buy the racks of lamb at Costco for about $18 to $20 per rack. So we picked up 3 of them, and again, they've been marinating for about 2 days. I'm gonna actually smoke them in my smoker. I have 3 racks in my smoker. And so I'm going to put a temperature gauge, actually an internal temperature probe, and let the lamb get up to about 145 degrees. That way, once it reaches temperature, I'll know that internally it's to about, let's say a rare to medium rare. Then I'm going to reverse sear it on my grill, and I will seal it shut, and the lamb will get a nice crust of just good char and spices, and so this timer I picked up actually also at Costco. It's about $20 for a digital probe, and you can set the temperature on here. It's also got a timer, which I don't really use too much because I just say things like, okay Google, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Alright, 20 minutes. Starting now.
Thank you. Always nice to be polite to Google. And it's also got another digital probe that at the last bit of it you can stick in if you needed to, if this is on the grill or for anything else. So again, $20, it's pretty affordable, easy enough to replace if something were to break on it. The probe's not waterproof, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, we're going to be putting these into the smoker. I'm letting them sit out and kind of come up to temperature. They've been in the fridge for the past couple of days, so I'm going to let them get to room temperature, and then we'll be putting them on the smoker. So, not a whole lot to the smoker. You can pick them up at Bass Pro Shop. Usually Father's Day special. It's about a $300 smoker. I think I got this for about $149. So just kind of shop around. It's not the best of the best, but it does the trick. It's 40 inches, plenty of space, and does the job. So we're doing a blend of hickory and some mesquite in here to smoke the lamb with. I have 3 oven racks, and so I'll be placing the probe on the middle here of the racks so we get some good temperature. Happy eating. So one of the things that I'll do here is to just run the probe in through the back of the chimney here, the escape. And then I'll bring it around through the front and be able to probe it into the lamb. So we can set it up here and we can actually see our temperature. So. So here we are. We're actually, I'm okay with it being on fire because we're searing them shut a minute to each side. So we're just going to leave them under the flame. It's been about 30 seconds now. And I'll actually flip them over to the other side. And then the hardest part is getting them to stand on their side. So I'm going to control this for a minute and I'll show you the end result. We have a nice reverse seared lamb, and I will show you the insides when we cut it. So I pulled the lamb off. It's resting here. Silas just woke up from a nap, and he's not feeling it, but maybe he is. Silas, you want some lamb? You want to have some lamb?
You want some lamb? You want to eat lamb? I have a little aloo for you too. Malu? You want salad?
Silas, you gonna want some lamb?
No.
No, you don't want any
I'll
lamb?
even share. Is it good? Thumbs up? Give Papa thumbs up. Thumbs up. Like it. Share the
Malachi,
What?
did you eat all of your lamb?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yummy.
It was very good.
I'm glad you liked it.